Everyone, this is Umair Usman, the cognitive consultant. I help people manage their weight, reduce their anxiety, and improve their performance. And today I want to discuss meditation. So I was on Facebook and I came across a lot of these questions discussing meditation. And it seems there are a lot of beginners online that are struggling with their meditation practice. And the main problem it seems to be that they're having trouble staying in focus, the main problem being distraction. They have this idea that if they become perfect in their mindfulness practice, if they become perfect at meditation, somehow all of their life will be sorted out. That's how meditation has typically been sold to us, especially online. If they can just be perfect at meditation, everything else will work out. But the thing is that the idea of perfection itself in meditation is counterproductive. Principles of mindfulness meditation lie in just being in the moment, and that involves distraction, and that involves bringing your mind back into focus. That's the basic principle. The basic principle is not just to focus, it's being in the moment, whatever that brings, whatever that may be. And so the whole notion of focusing harder is counterproductive, because then you try to focus harder, and if it doesn't work out, you judge yourself, and the feedback loop repeats itself, and it's not in the spirit of the practice. I feel trying to be perfect, trying to focus harder, that's not in the spirit of mindfulness meditation. It's just about being and just focusing and seeing how things go. And whoever struggles with this must remember that each practice, each time you practice will be different, each moment will be different. You just have to let it be. Sometimes you'll be distracted, sometimes you won't be distracted. That's life, that's mindfulness meditation, that's being in the moment in a non judgmental manner. And usually people just keep on judging themselves because they want to be perfect. Totally against the spirit of the practice itself. It's about the process. It's about the process, not perfection. It's about the process itself. And what you really have to figure out is what kind of meditation works for you. What kind of meditation practice works for you. Not each one of us has to go to a yoga studio or go up into the mountains and meditate with monks. Not all of us need that. Some people prefer breath work, some people prefer loving kindness meditation, whatever it is, that's what you have to find. Find what works for you. And remember, it is not meditation is not about being perfect. It's not about being focusing harder. And it's definitely not about judging yourself. Just being and enjoying the process as it is. It might be perfect, it might not be perfect. That's fine. That's the point. Just let it be. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. And everything else comes past that point. So that's enough from me today. This was Umair Usman, the cognitive consultant, and I will see you next time.